Well, we're here today as part of the Airpoints for Schools program to let the kids at St Patrick's Primary School here in Kilburnie know the fantastic news that they've been selected to go to Rotorua as part of a school trip. There are 113 schools that applied and they're one of the lucky 20 and the only school in Wellington region.
You guys have been all chosen by the Airpoints for Schools program to fly to Rotorua.
Our school's a little school. We have 115 students and we are a really diverse community of people. I think we've got 16 plus different cultures within our school.
Good morning, St Patrick's Primary School. How are you all today?
Is this on the news?
Because we have such a multicultural school, we really work on celebrating our differences, and this trip provided that opportunity for us because we've been looking at our own cultures and then we've been comparing them to Māori culture, the culture of New Zealand. And of course coming here today to Te Puia was just fabulous because then we actually got to see it in action and see all the beautiful waiata and the carvings and the weaving, so it's made it really special for the kids. I've been watching the faces on the kids today, the joy, the excitement, you know, you can't put a price on that, can you? It's just wonderful. We try a lot of fundraising, you know, when we do things, but if it wasn't for Airpoints for Schools, we certainly wouldn't be here because we wouldn't have been able to fundraise to that capacity, and so that just, you know, made it a dream come true for the kids.